guys, we're out here in beautiful Johnson Valley, California, doing some trail riding with the Ohio Squad. We're in some tough trails. Come check this out. Oh. That was pretty cool. Got a little more.
That works. Yeah.
That was cool. It's interesting how these rocks out here do crumble like that.
Yeah, they do.
That's pretty freaking cool. We're just out here riding, and one of the GVR guys is out there pre-running. It's pretty cool. We're here at the bottom of Sledgehammer right now. I think we're gonna run on up it. It'll be a good time. So we just built our way up to the infamous plaque line on Sledgehammer. It's either that rock or that rock. But one of them used to have a plaque on it, which is why, thus the name, the plaque line. But it doesn't get much better than Hammer's Wheelin than this obstacle right here. You ran the plaque line a bunch.
Probably 5 or 6 times now. We raced it 3 or 4 different years. I've done it just pre-running it, playing around, probably 2 or 3 times. That was the easiest it's ever gone up. It last 2 years ago when I was here, we had to beat on it pretty hard to get them up over there. But it's a matter of inches left or right and just staying where you need to be and getting up it. Don't fall back down.
So we just made it up Sledgehammer. The Ohio crew's holding it down, and we're gonna keep on trucking.
This is great. Wizard would be so proud of me.
Here, let me get a picture, Kev.
All right. Which tube did I do? The long, the short
I
one?
know. The red one.
Oh. Don't say you're kidding. I never know.
Great bag in better.
You want me to run for you tomorrow or Saturday?
You
Or?
look good. Does it feel better?
Yeah, I don't know if it's like I don't know what the hydraulic bumps are supposed to be, the air bump's supposed to feel like. If it's going through them or if it's just hitting. You know what I mean? Like how hard are they? 250.
You're not using them all.
Yeah, you could probably knock some nitrogen out and get like 100 and want to feel them as bad.
He's not. You're not even using all the bump, Brody.
Okay.
I don't know.
You're just feeling them hit the initial, so you dump the nitrogen out of them and put like
50
50
pounds.
or 100.
How do you know he's not using them?
See the dirt
See how the dirt lines right there? That's all the further that's traveled.
It improved.
10-4. So we just made our way up Jackhammer, and the rest of the Ohio guys are coming up right now. that's how we do it right there. We all fought with it a little bit, but we came out the top. It's really exciting.
That is the top of Jackhammer.
Top of
Yep,
Jackhammer.
and then we're gonna circle around, go down Jack North.
And that's like the legendary helicopter spot where
That's over on Fisher. That's the next mountain over, but that's also a cool shot. We race that almost every year. If you end up on Jackhammer, you end up on that trail racing. It's pretty cool.
that was the gnarliest thing I ever done. That was not the gnarliest thing ever, but the height and my adrenaline was pumping. My adrenaline doesn't like going up through a canyon. I'm not tripping, but that was wild. You know, I was so excited to four-wheel, I didn't even eat breakfast today. Hey, there's also a food stand right at Chocolate Thunder.
Is there?
I don't know what they're selling, but there is a food truck there. So we made it over here to Chocolate Thunder and see what lines these guys take. Some of them might go further to the right, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure yet. Once you're in this canyon, it is so much different than where we're looking at it from, because it doesn't look wild right now, but this crawler over here, we got to remember those are 42-inch tall tires, and he's struggling with that spot with rear steer, so it's nasty down in there. Once you get right into that area, it looks like a wall right here, and from up here it just looks like you could drive up at a 40. I really have loved being on the trail with his Revolution chassis. He did a really great job getting it all finished up. I love the little purple on the graphics, and it handles really well. It made me realize how much you could get out of a Revolution chassis.